Hi all, welcome to C News. We are starting this channel with a mini series of interviews to bring out the journeys of individuals to share their life experiences. As our first guest, we are calling Rujiga Arora, an astrologer from Delhi who specializes in coffee reading. Let's hope into the interview and know more about her.
Yeah, welcome to CE News Act.
Thank you so much.
Um, I've been just telling to the audience actually right now. So you have been into the astrology for the past 7 years now.
Yeah.
Just wanted to know about your journey. How did your journey begin? How was the first, what do you say, the call towards astrology?
Yeah, so I was very young because in our field, we always say that, this career, you don't have to choose this as a career. Maybe it was destined, I being here in this.
Mm-hmm.
I started as a healer first because I lost someone because of cancer. 12 years back, cancer was a very big thing.
Yeah.
It was not very easy for everyone to afford that kind of treatment for cancer, all that. So I started with healing. Then I never stopped. I'm still learning. I went into astrology. I learned rune reading.
Mm-hmm.
And my forte is coffee reading, basically. I'm a national awarded coffee reader.
Okay. So, so from which standard actually did you do your first reading actually? How did you get the gift? As in, if you say, who was your first customer or who was your first person to whom you did that?
Because I'm a psychic,
Mm-hmm.
I'm a clairvoyant. So we just tell my friends, my family that, this is going to happen. And they used to ask me that, how you know that? It was just a vibe. So then you have to train yourself. I used to take coffee sessions in, I remember, Rajiv Chowk metro station. So we have this metro station in Delhi.
Mm-hmm.
That was my first office. I
Okay.
used to take sessions there, and now I've got my own space and everything. That's how, I think we all have to go and take that struggle first.
But was
So
it
my first
positive?
client was Kajol Tyagi. I still remember. She is now in
No,
Bombay.
as in, was it positive? Like when you kept saying like these things would happen, were your family or friends in took it in a positive way or in a negative way?
No, it's not always positive because sometimes they get scared that how you are saying all that.
Oh. Hmm. As you can see in movies, when people say all this, they say, "Oh,
Sorry.
she's possessed. She has some very psychic powers and all that."
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
you are specialized in five of the elements, 5 elements of astrology, yeah.
Yeah, 5 elements of.
So
So
could you
I
just
think
yeah.
everything is made up of 5 elements. Yeah, yeah, sure. So we are humans, or 5 elements are the basic, the necessity. So 5 elements: water, fire, earth, air. Space is not very important for our. If you have to go into that deeper version, then we count space in that. So I'll just give a quick brief because I want people to understand 5 elements are actually very important. Even the word Bhagwan, God, is actually made up of 5 elements only. Bha is
Hmm.
for Bhumi, Ga is for Gagan, Va is for Vayu, is for Agni, Na is for Neer. So 5 elements are actually in everything.
Okay.
So we really need to have a very very good balance of 5 elements. And generally I see a lot of astrologers are actually scaring people that you should do this, go out of their way to do something. Or in this lockdown period, actually we can work around 5 elements sitting at home. So we can just take water as our liquidity, the cash flow. Water is
Hmm.
very clear, so you need clear thoughts. Okay, so you just need to have good balance of water, how you're treating those elements. So if you're treating water in a good way, you're not wasting water. One, you can just add water into your daily diet, because food also have good amount of water. Vegetables have 70 more than 70% of water. Fruits have more than 90%. Earth is the stability. To be stable in our career, in our daily, we really need the stability to be there. So earth is also very important. You can just maybe earth is just mother earth, so you can just clean your environment clean. So that will help for the earth element. Fire is for fame. So if you want to be famous, so fire is directly connected to your stomach, your food. Don't waste your food. Try if you can, if you have something in your plate, eating everything, whatever is there in your plate, not waste food. And air is again the growth, because if you see air represent two colors, green and brown. So you can just relate air to a tree maybe. Obviously, you just need to balance 5 elements and then everything is simply sorted. We all use pyramids these days for vastu or something, just to maybe a vastu person can add some pyramids to your place. So we have pyramids in our hand. So this is fire, this is water, this is air, this is earth, this is space. So you just need to, if you have to increase an element, you can just make like this. If you have to decrease, so you can just make this. So that's very simple. Decrease like this, increase like this. Just make these pyramids. You don't have to place pyramids at your place. Just make your pyramids with hand, increase, decrease. Everything is, because God knew that human is going to be very lazy. So He have given everything. We just need to take it and work on the logic.
So
And
yeah, this is actually very deep logics actually. I didn't know that Bhagwan had these 5 terms, and this is new for me as well. So you're based in Delhi right now. So where in Delhi is your office now?
yeah, it's in Shahpujat.
Shahpujat. Okay, so definitely I hope everything comes out. So what are the
Yeah.
future projects now, which are coming now? Any future projects, any new future?
So I'm starting with one very crazy thing: astrology plus apparel, clothing. So
Okay.
because we really need to understand of our basic daily clothing. So some people are actually attracted towards specific colors. So we need to understand why that color is there. Someone like, I personally, I'm attracted to white color. So what is the logic behind it? Why I can just wear some certain colors, and that will actually boost my planets. So how we can manage our planets, our daily life. If I'm an astrologer, I need to be very vocal about my thoughts. I want to help people. So what element I should have, good elements, how can I balance my elements, my planets with colors? I'm starting with that. I'll be launching that in October.
So like people would be able to say, like, if they want to be positive in life, what kind of color dress they should wear, or this type of color would boost them, like positivity and all that. Yeah, that kind of path.
We are looking for stability, we are looking for growth. So as we were talking about the 5 elements, I can just quickly tell you the colors of those elements. So water have black and blue color, and earth is yellow color. So if you have to strengthen your elements, so you can just maybe add those colors to your atmosphere. Maybe you start wearing those colors, or maybe you can just maybe add a band to your hand of that color. So air is brown and green. And what's left? Fire is red.
Mm-hmm.
As we always imagine fire in red
Red.
color.
Yeah. True.
Yeah, so that's very easy to remember all this. And space have given color, it's white and glittery. It's
Okay. Yeah.
silverish,
Oh,
because
silverish
you
for
can
the
see the
stars.
space whenever we look. Yeah, so it's very simple. It's
And for like, do you this astrology as well? If you're looking into that perspective, you can do the astrology through the online as well, like the Zoom calls and WebEx, if any client requires for
yeah,
you to do as well, except for the coffee reading, of course.
we are actually doing online astrology and runes as well.
So actually, except the coffee reading, yeah, you can't. You need to have the person in front of you for the coffee reading.
Coffee is actually not possible online, because the person should have specific coffee at home, because we use Turkish coffee.
Hmm.
So we are doing
No,
astrology and rune reading for now,
what
online.
if the person has a coffee, like the Turkish coffee at home?
Then we can do it online. Then we explain the rules through a call or message, and
Hmm.
then that person should have the coffee in a specific way.
Hmm. I was just checking actually. You mentioned actually that you were
Sorry.
doing yeah, you mentioned you were doing a PhD as well in coffee reading, yeah.
Yeah. So
So how long is that be left now? How many years of PhD left?
With 7 months now. I don't know about the lockdown thing. How they're going to do. Be completing in January.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Anyway, thanks, Ruchika, for your time. All the very
Thank you
best
so much.
for your future endeavors as
Thank
well,
you so
especially for
much,
the cloth
man.
apparel.
Thank you.
And we'll be definitely having few more interviews for it. We need to get into the topics more deeply as well. This is very thankful for your time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Anytime.
Thank you so much.
Thank you all for watching the video. I hope you liked the interview. So we would like to get few feedback as well. So kindly do it here below. So please subscribe, share, like the channel. Till next time, see you all. Thank you.